Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off mentions on Instagram. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. On your Instagram application, you have to click on the profile icon that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, you have to click on the three horizontal lines that are present at the top right corner of your screen. Now in settings and privacy, you have to scroll down towards the end until you see the option that says tags and mentions. Now over here, first of all, in who can tag you, you have to select the option that says don't allow tags. Then scroll down and in the section that says who can mention you, you have to tap on don't allow mentions. By doing this, you will be able to easily turn off mentions on Instagram. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.